This is a very nice experiment to demonstrate centrifugal force. You need an empty pen body, a thread inside it, a heavy battery at the lower end, and a small light ball at the top end. The battery is 10 times heavier than the ball. As you spin the pen, you find that the ball goes out and lifts the battery, which is 10 times heavier. This is the power of the force of rotation, of lifting something very heavy with light stuff. Now you can make a pump out of it. You need a rubber tube about 1 meter long. Dip this rubber tube one end in a bottle full of water and suck out water from the other end. You will find that by siphon, water flows out. Now you hold this free end and spin it all around, just like a centrifugal pump. As you spin, you'd be surprised that water is sprinkled all over the place, and slowly the level of water in the bottle becomes lesser and lesser, and this way you can drain out the entire bottle of water with this amazing centrifugal pump. Well, here there are children enjoying this artificial rain. It's great fun to perform this experiment on a very hot day. You can produce your own rain.